guys, Chloe here, back with another episode of Roundtable Talks. Today we are outside because we have some very special guests from our mobile service team, Alyssa and Jordan. Thank you so much for coming on the little show today. Doing something a little different as well.
Just a towel.
Just a little bit. So why don't you tell us a little bit about the mobile service, what it does for Ford, and how customers can use it?
Yeah, so our mobile service van is used for typical light maintenance work. We're looking at like software updates, batteries. For companies that have more than 5 vehicles around, we can do oil change, tire rotations. We can even do brakes. We can just do typical run-of-the-mill light stuff, but no real diagnostic or anything like that. And he's the one that goes out. He'll be the one that meets you, meets all of our customers, and takes care of things.
So what customers would you say this would benefit the most?
For regular customers, I would say anybody that works from home, anybody that works at, like say like a TQL or the hospital, like where the cars are just out in the parking lot all day.
So like we could have like 5 Ford customers, or not even Ford necessarily, right? They could be any vehicle. And say we're at TQL, they're like, hey, I've got 5 customers. We all want to get our oil changed. So then we could do that.
Do that out there in the parking lot.
That's pretty convenient.
It sure is.
That's awesome. So what tools and equipment do you guys carry in the van?
So on the van we have hand tools like sockets, wrenches, ratchets. We have air tools, impacts, interior trim tools for some of the recalls, jacks, jack stands, things like that. Kind of everything we need to even do just simple stuff out there on the road. It's
awesome.
kind of nice.
I love it. So what would you say are like maybe not 3, but like some of the most popular services?
All the software update recalls. That's our number 1 popular. Second popular is battery replacements. So like when customers' cars are dead, we'll just send our guy out there. That way you don't have to get towed in.
That's such a nice service,
Yeah.
I mean, that tow's got to be more expensive than, right?
Definitely is. And then I would say our third popular service is probably just, going out there and doing undershields or trim pieces, that kind of stuff.
And anything else that we think customers should know about this?
For customers, we try to keep ourselves in a 15-mile radius of the dealership. In case-by-case basis, we are able to go further than that. But for the regular retail customers and our local, we're looking at 15 miles. For companies that choose to have this, we can go all the way up to a 25-mile radius.
Because it's just more.
Yeah, we're trying to keep him active and not really driving all over the place.
Yes, for sure. So then, can you tell us how we can sign up for this?
Yeah, so we have, you can either do the online reservations. That's typically the most convenient for any customers, just because it's at their own convenience. So there is a mobile service option that you can click, and it'll give all the services that are available for there. You can either call in. I have my own business line, like a mobile phone for that, or the regular Beechmont Ford, business line.
Now I am joined by Ethan, also with our mobile service team. So why don't you just tell me what your role is, Ethan?
So most of the time I'm in the service drive and I'm bagging and tagging cars as they come in, or we're shuttling customers home. And we also do pickup and deliveries where we go to your house and pick up your car.
Could you explain a little bit how that works?
Yeah, so we have an app called Driver's Queue, and you basically schedule a PDL, and then we come pick up your car, we'll knock on your door, or if you want to leave the keys in the car, that works too.
Oh, that's nice.
And then we'll bring it in for service, and then we'll deliver it back to your house, and you also get automated text messages on when the car is coming.
Little Sonia here.
You're good.
So we're getting text messages, and customers are being communicated with throughout the entire process.
Ma'am. And we have their phone number to call.
Awesome, that's so nice. So it's just like I see my car's ready, and then you guys drop it right back off.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, amazing. We're going to put all the information on the screen. We've got a QR code so you can easily sign up for the mobile service. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online today.